Hello guys and welcome to weekly tracking here on gold. It's Monday and basically as we can see market opened and we're seeing some real volatile moves right now. Taking a look at GU, could see this open, with the gap and volatility. Looking at GJ, oh my god, look at UJ, the same thing. So let's go back to gold tracking. Gold tracking for this week, basically I'm looking for probably a retest of these regions, maybe a continuation to the downside. I'll be fully bullish on gold. Let's take a look at this daily time from here. So I would be bullish and be getting, looking for setups to buy if price breaks above 1730. Otherwise, as far as price remains around this region, I'll probably be looking for a setup for continuation to the downside. Okay, now that we've made a double bottom, there are two things involved. It's either we begin to, a shift or trend, and then we'll see price start going up. And this is it: a break of the downward trend line, break of this resistance level, retest of it. Then we could start looking for opportunities to buy. Boom, 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 boom. All right, but that will be, I don't know. But for now, I might be looking for a continuation to the sell side. Regardless of what we see here, we might see price come make a new low 1600. We always had a target for 1600 and 1580. So let's go over to the other side. So maybe we could look for possible advantages to be to the downside. Okay, so back on this style here, the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we've seen a downward trend line broken, and then maybe like a resumption to the bullish side. So I might go for buys, buys around a retest of this region, come back to this region, and maybe a break of this region will target these regions and these regions, and maybe price might come back to 1730 before it continues its moves. But otherwise, at the same time, we could possibly might see price just basically as it retested this region now this morning. We might just see price continue to the downside straight to 1600. Do you understand? So basically I might be looking for something like this. Let's take this off. So I might be looking for something like this. Price come over here to make another double top, and then we could see price. I might take partial profit around this region, another target here, and then basically my last target around this region. So let's see how price will play out before Wednesday. I'll keep you guys posted. Ciao. Guys, welcome to weekly tracking here on gold. It's Wednesday, and basically on Monday I anticipated probably at the opens to anticipate price to retest this region probably in the London session and give me a dive down. And also later I also anticipated that price might retest this region, will go for buys and probably retest 1680 before continuing down. And yesterday price played out to the T. We'll see price retesting this region. Two things going forward: either price comes back to this region fully before going down, or we could just use this as a double top already. Let me see. We could see this probably as a double top now. Okay, which means we might just continue the downtrend, but already we could see that this is a broken trend line retested, and maybe we might resume some bullish structure. And let's see how price plays out, but I'll be following the structures. If price breaks through this region, we retest it, then we'll buy to the regions of 1680, and then we'll watch how price react this region and know what to do next. So I'll see you guys on Friday, and let's see how price will play out. For now, we might probably go continue shorts for now and maybe retest these regions. But if price breaks back below this region, then we'll see price hit here and then target the next regions of 1600. So I'll see you guys on Friday. Enjoy the rest of the week. Ciao. Hello guys and welcome to weekly tracking here on gold. It's Friday and basically okay, let's just head into the style. On Wednesday I anticipated probably price breaking through this structure, retesting this, and I was targeting 1680 and probably a new highs. Yeah, I mentioned that, and I also mentioned that if price breaks below 1640, then we might see a continuation to the bearish side. Now There are two things I'm monitoring here. Basically, we might continue to the bull side, hereby seeing this pattern we're forming right now. Basically, this pattern we're forming right now could just be potentials for a continuation to the bull side. Break, retest, boom. First target here, second target probably around 1700. So this is the possibility. And also, we can take out the possibility of price returning bearish by breaking through this region, retesting this region, and we'll continue to this side. So let's see how the rest of the day will play out. And I'm looking out for, let me see if price can actually break back into these regions here. We've seen a huge number of rejections here. If we slide into the 15 minutes time frame, we could see that price has formed a huge resistance around this region here. So if price could break above this resistance here, they'll be looking for opportunities to buy and then head towards 1680. Otherwise, we'll be looking for price to probably really break down and show us that it's tired of going up. I'll see you guys on Monday, and enjoy the rest of your week. All right, ciao.